Hey guys, today we are going to take 2 minutes to learn about PIP of Python. Hey guys, so PIP is basically the package manager of Python. So there are installation of libraries and upgradation and other tasks that we can do via PIP. So there are libraries in Python which we need to use, which we are going to use, such as TensorFlow, NumPy, Pygame, all those stuff. We can install them, we can upgrade them, or we can remove them via PIP. So it's for installation of libraries, not just installation, it's for also managing them. And this is the definition according to Wikipedia. So a PIP is a package manager system written in Python and is used to install and manage software packages. So right now you can see on your screen the PIP. So I just got the PIP help, and it is showing me all the information, all the commands that I can use. And you can use install, download, uninstall, freeze, all those stuff. So you just do PIP -help, and it will give you this list. Now let's see what PIP can do. So PIP, let's install library. PIP install NumPy. Great, so NumPy got installed. Just like you see, if I want to install TensorFlow, thanks for watching. See you in next video.